going to be filming a morning routine. I think that this is actually gonna be really good for me, because when it comes to YouTube, I'm very much in my head all the time, like in my head. So I think this is gonna give me a chance to just create, you know what I mean, and actually put out content a little faster, because I had literally have a list of content that I wanted to put up, but I was gonna try and do like 2 videos a week until like I'm comfortable. And I'm like, why not just try for a video a day? I mean, I post on Instagram every day. Yes, vlogs are a little hard, but I'm like, again, I have a couple of videos that I already have pre-planned, so that's perfect. And that's gonna really help me. So yeah, here it is. Like I said, I'm on my way to work. If you guys don't know, I've probably not even done a live update, so let's chit chat for a second. I have a 9 to 5 now. I work in a mental health clinic, which is pretty cool, but it's been nice because I get to like dress up, go somewhere, work a little bit, and I also get to just drop off the kids. Like, I drop off the kids first before I go to work, and I'm able to like create after work. Honestly, it's been raining this past couple of days, so I haven't really taken any photos, but I have so much content that I've been like literally hoarding that I don't need to like take any more photos. And I've actually taken a photo in this blazer already, so this already out the door. Not that I don't like wearing things over and over. I wear things because I buy them. If you buy them, you gonna wear them. Like, what's the point of buying something and wearing it once? I'm gonna wear it 15 times, okay? Because I bought it. So yeah, that's basically honestly it. This week I was gonna do a weekly vlog, but I think I'm gonna do just this one day. And it's honestly gonna be a really chill day. There's not much I have to do. I have to ship the MK orders. I actually have them in my trunk. That's the one thing I have to do. I'm gonna do that possibly during my lunch break. And I usually get Starbucks in the morning and just go to work. I'm really trying to break the habit of getting Starbucks every morning, because one, that's a lot of sugar. I've noticed that when I had cut sugar out of my diet, like over the summer, face was snatched, my skin was glowing, I was drinking a lot of water. So I kind of want to go back to that, like as much as I possibly can, because I guess now, because I'm just on the go all the time, I just pick stuff up on the go. So I'm trying to like really get back into making my own food, drinking water, that kind of thing. But right now I'm in my eating Chick-fil-A, drinking Starbucks era, and I feel like every era is very necessary still. I also haven't been exercising as much as I should. I was doing like 10,000 steps a day, or like give or take, but now it's like once in a while, and I don't like that. Since I just came back from Atlanta, when I was in Atlanta, I was trying my best to walk as much as possible. And the one day I went to the park, and oh my goodness, I literally took 17,000 steps, and I was like, yes, it's giving. I have a treadmill in my house, so I should not have any excuse to not work out at least one time a day. But with the kids sometimes, and with everything going, honestly, there's no excuses. And that's one thing I'm trying to work on in the month of October, to not give myself excuses, but also not to be too hard on myself, but also not to give myself excuses, because excuses will make you not do certain things, and we don't want that. But anyway, I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick, because I feel like my blog, I kind of talk a little with a voiceover, so I want you guys, I feel like talking to the camera is a little bit, better. But yeah, all right, well, let's drive now.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean.
Got Amari from school. He's always, when I say always knocked out, he is always knocked out when I go get him from school. So I just got Amari. I just got Amari from school. He's always knocked out, literally all the time when I get him. So, but I need to go to Trader Joe's today. I've been prolonging Trader Joe's because there are specific items I get at Trader Joe's that are nowhere else. But I also want to stop at Target. Now, because it's almost 5, I have to pick Ivana latest by 6 o'clock. So I basically have an hour to do all these things before I go get her at 6. So let's do a little power run through Trader Joe's, and then we're gonna do Target for everything else. And hopefully he sleeps the whole time. So I just put him in the car. So important to me is because I already use this moisturizer. This is, I mean, clearly I use it. This is the double repair face moisturizer with UV, and I have been loving it lately. And because I like that, I got the cleansing oil, which I really like this too. I just started using this. Like, this is a newer addition to my collection. So I guess I have a refill of my favorite moisturizer and another moisturizer that I can try. What else? Okay, foaming cleanser. Please, if you guys have tried La Roche-Posay, let me know which one I should use first. What is this? Ooh, dark spot corrector daily sunscreen. I like that. This I'm definitely gonna use. What else? Okay, this is an eye cream. Okay. Salicylic acid, which is always necessary. And pure hyaluronic acid, which I already actually ran out of my hyaluronic acid, so this came at a perfect time. I'm actually really excited. Thank you, Lord, to say. I haven't cleaned this room since I got back. So today is what? Tuesday. I got back on Sunday, so I've just been trying to like unpack and stuff. I have so much laundry to do, so today is just me trying to get the house in order so that my mental can also be in order. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now, which I'm almost done. Because today is trash day at my place, I need to make sure I like get all the boxes and take all the trash out today. I love cleaning on trash day because then you can just dump the trash out. So yeah, let's continue cleaning. Oh, so this is my, I love this. These Peloton. I'm actually obsessed. I have bought several. When I say several. I have an obsessive personality. So when I like something, I love it. And this, I mean, if I have to caution myself because I don't want to finish all 14 bags. But I usually buy the big bag and just chow down. It's like, it gives a mix of Nigerian popcorn and American popcorn. And I think that's why I like it so much. So yeah.